Russian troops launched an airstrike Friday morning that destroyed airplanes. Yavoriv, nearly 3 dozen people were killed in a strike on a military training facility. Both cities are near the Polish border. Lviv has so far been considered relatively safe compared to other areas in the country like the seaside city of Mariupol, which have borne the brunt of the majority of attacks since Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered the invasion late last month. On Thursday, a theater in Mariupol where hundreds were sheltering was attacked, and last week at least 3 people, including 1 child, died following an attack on a maternity hospital in the city. While estimates of those killed in Mariupol vary widely because the city is under constant attack, local officials have said more than 2,300 people have died there, according to The Guardian, some lying in the street until they are put into mass graves because the constant danger in the city makes funerals nearly impossible. To the east of Lviv, Kyiv was also attacked Friday morning, with at least 1 person killed by shelling in a neighborhood north of the city's downtown. Meanwhile, Lviv's population has swelled by some 200,000 as people from elsewhere in Ukraine have sought shelter there.